I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok comment history. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the profile icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on the next screen. Step 3. Find the Personal Tools section and then tap Activity Center. Step 4. Tap Comment History. Your TikTok comment history is displayed. Step 5. Find the specific TikTok comment you want to delete and then tap it. You'll see that comment on the TikTok video where you made it. Step 6. Hold your finger against the TikTok comment you want to delete to bring up a menu and then tap Delete. That comment will be deleted immediately. Repeat this process to delete any other TikTok comments. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.